Here's a pair of Beats Solo Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is just go to the settings on your Roku TV. So let me just click on the home button here. From the home screen here, you want to go down to settings on the left pane here. Let's go to settings. Settings right there. Click on OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down one to remotes and devices. Click on OK on the remotes. Now from here, you can see I have wireless headphones there. Now, if you don't have wireless headphones on here, then you don't have built-in Bluetooth on your Roku TV. However, a simple workaround would be to go ahead and connect and pair these to the Roku app on your phone, okay? However, for this video, we're gonna go direct with the wireless headphones, okay? So if you have it, we'll proceed here. Go to wireless headphones right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're gonna go down to add new wireless headphones right there. Click on OK on the remotes. And now it's searching for devices in Bluetooth that is near me. So now we got to put this into Bluetooth, into pairing mode, okay? So these are currently on, okay? You can see the light right here. But really quickly, if I turn one of these down or both of them down, it turns off, okay? So these are currently off. So let me turn them back on. Let me open up both of them. And I want it in the pairing mode. So what I want is a blinking white light, okay? It's not blinking, it's a solid white light. It's probably connected to another device. Let me press and hold the power button here. I'm gonna press and hold for about like 7 seconds or until it starts blinking white here. So I'm still holding here. Okay, now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode, but the search already ended. I took too long. So let me just go to retry again. It's gonna start searching again. And now the odd thing is I have to wait till the seconds go all the way down to 0, okay? So we'll just be patient here. It's still in the pairing mode. Let's just wait till the countdown goes all the way down. 3, 2, 1, and hopefully it finds it, and it did. Solo Pro right there. I'm gonna grab the remote, make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on Solo Pro. It says you're done, and we know that we're connected. As you can see, because the check mark is next to the Solo Pro. So we're connected, we're ready to go with these headphones to watch Netflix or YouTube or whatnot. Now, if you had an issue where you couldn't connect, or you had pair or some kind of connecting issue, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the description below. All right, good luck.